guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to be comparing the AirPods Pro and the normal AirPods that we've been having for the couple of generations now. And I was going to compare the AirPods too, but I will keep that for a separate video, so keep tuned and don't forget to subscribe so you can follow on that video as well. And so first off, the price. So the AirPods Pro, which are the newer one that have like the soft ear tips, which are more comfortable to the user, they're gonna be at $250. To be exact, it's $249. And the normal AirPods were now $200 or $199. So they're $50 more expensive. Well, like the AirPods Pro are $50 more expensive than the AirPods. And this is, I'm talking about the one with the wireless charging case, by the way. The normal AirPods also have an option with just the charging case that you can use with the plug, but I'm talking about the wireless charging case. And they have, the AirPods Pro have a customizable fit, while the AirPods only have universal fit. And the AirPods Pro have active noise cancellation, adaptive EQ, and the H1 chip. And the reason why the AirPods Pro have less battery life than the AirPods is that because they have active noise cancellation. So that's a big thing, because of that active noise cancellation, it sucks up more battery, which means that the user can enjoy the AirPods for more time than the normal AirPods without the case. So with the case, it can go to like 24 hours, and both of them, by the way. And I think it's 4 hours and 30 minutes for the AirPods Pro without the case. And for the AirPods, it's about 5 hours, I would say. So pretty close, just half an hour. And in my opinion, it's worth the half hour if you want the active noise cancellation. And the $50 are a huge improvement over the normal AirPods too. And one good thing is that since many people use the AirPods as like daily workout headphones and stuff, so the AirPods Pro have sweat and water resistance, which is a huge thing, because say I went to the gym and I was wearing my AirPods Pro, then they wouldn't get damaged from the sweat or like from water because it was raining outside. So it's a win-win for everyone. Well, and the AirPods do not have that, so that's a plus. And also they have the H1 chip, which both of them do, so it's not a huge thing. And they both option in a wireless charging case, but the AirPods, the normal ones, only have, well, the normal AirPods have a wireless and a charging case, like the normal one with just a pin, but the AirPods Pro only have the wireless charging case, which is a huge thing as well. So you can charge them, and it will be kind of like a power bank. You know how we have a power bank? It would be kind of like a power bank for the AirPods that we can use. And they can both have engraving and all, so that's a win-win. And I'll be doing a screen share now, and I'll be showing you kind of basically what I said, and also how much it costs for that wireless charging case that we can get with the normal AirPods. So how much does it cost and all that stuff. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here is the website I was using from apple.com. Obviously, only the facts here have been jacked up. And so it says here, customizable fit, active noise cancellation, adaptive EQ, H1 chip, and Hey Siri is always on for both. Actually, here's the normal one. Hey Siri is on for both. It's always on, as you can see there. And this one has 4.5 hours, which is about 4.5 hours, as you can see here. And this one has 5 hours. So we can both for the both of them, we can personalize their cases. We can like engrave in our initials, we can type in our name and all that. And so basically here is how much the case, so if you got like the normal AirPods without the wireless charging case, here's how much it would cost to you. It is around, let me see if I can find it. It's around $80, as you can see here. It's around $80. So, or you can get it like for $13.16 a month for 6 months. So let me bring up my calculator real quick. 13.6, 16. Let's see. is about 13.6 to for 6 months. It would be around 81.6 bucks. So 13.16. Let me check my questions real quick. 13.16 for 6 months. 13.16 for 6 months. And that's around $79, which is the same. So it would be actually like 4 cents cheaper, which wouldn't make like a huge difference. So either way, I wouldn't like do that. So I would just get them one time. And that's all. So just a quick video. And it would just be the LED indicator, and there's like pictures if you guys want to see them. There we go. And that's all for this video. It's a short video. I will be also making another video of the things that we get with the Apple, like iPhone 12, like all the accessories and all. So keep tuned. That's another video that's coming. Or I haven't made it yet, but I will be making it today as well. So it may actually come out before this video. So go check that video out either way, if it hasn't come out yet, or if it just came out, go check it out. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. Bye.